This is a pizza dough, and this is a machine to inflate balloons. I'll be using it to attempt to make first ever pizza snowman. I need to determine if it's even possible. Yes, you heard right.
Attempt number 1. Let's go.
Because a few weeks ago I published a video on YouTube where you can see me dropping a huge inflated dough ball into the oil. It expanded, and that gave me the idea, why not turn this into a snowman? To make sure we can reach our goal, at the base of the snowman it must be inflated enough to support the structure without collapsing, but at the same time tasty and crispy enough. For this we have a few pizza doughs on the bottom. Whoa, whoa! And let's not press that yet until we have a nice vacuum. And there it goes. And it's working. Our contraption didn't work. It was impossible to control the airflow. The power was too much and it caused the dough to explode.
Attempt number 2. Let's go.
If I can't make a perfectly round shape out of the dough, then our next option must be to start from an already perfectly round shape. And we come through right away with our pizza dough. Place it on top. Remove the paper, and we continue with more pizza doughs until it is completely covered. And our last one to cover this side. So I have a base, however frying it directly in the oil would make it melt.
No, I didn't invent fried pizza. It's actually an Italian specialty that's found in Naples. It's a big part of the Italian street food culture with its very own unique flavor and satisfying, crunchy, crispy crust.
So first I need to freeze it to make it hard enough to allow me to remove the balloon, then fry it.
Alright, y'all, this is nice and ready. That's set in freezer. Go ahead and... Alright, well, get both on us. A middle one.
Okay, I have the shape, but we have a problem. I need to add a patch to seal the hole to get a perfect sphere. Based on the result, I'm not sure I'll get the perfect ball. It's already starting to deflate. Whew. At this point, I feel like we're losing the battle. Okay, last option.
Attempt number 3. Let's go.
Last chance to end up with a well-inflated dough ball. I decided to go with a little extra dough to make it thick enough to support the pressure. This time, we'll use a straw and go slow. Try not to pop it, and let's see if it works. Does it? Seems like it does. And then we go to the hot oil. Carefully, very carefully, just like this. Like that. We're gonna come through, grab it, and slowly and gently pour it on the top. Let that baby bubble. Let it grow. Look at that. No, guys, it's not magic. It's Chefclub. So what's the science behind all this? When pizza is placed in hot oil, the heat causes the dough to cook quickly and steam to be produced inside the dough. The steam then causes dough to rise or inflate, as we did. The oil also helps to seal the surface of the dough, which helps prevent the steam from escaping and allows it to continue to build inside the dough. Alright guys, this is cooking nicely, but we're gonna go a little bit bigger, carefully. Here we have plenty of hot oil. And just to make it nice and sturdy and extra crispy for us, beautiful. Time to take it out. Go this way, and here we go. Carefully. Come this way. Should be able to lift it out like that. Got it. Careful. Let me let some of that oil drip so I don't get burned. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Alright guys.
I wanna make some dough.
It looks amazing! Let's take it straight to the oven to keep it warm while we work on the upper body. Come on, who likes a cold pizza? just to let it dry real quick, and in the meantime we're gonna go ahead and tackle the rest of the body and the head. So basically, like an average pepperoni pizza, you know how it goes. We all love it. Tomato sauce, oregano, cheese, cooked sliced pepperoni, and little TLC. I added water to seal the edges and keep it airtight. You know the drill, just repeat. Here, place it carefully.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
A little butter, and we're gonna come through. Garlic butter that is, guys. Parmesan, y'all. A little Parmesan for the snow. All the way around, both parts. The top. Bam. I'm using a red chili pepper for the nose because the carrot would obviously be too heavy and break the head. For the eyes, I'm gonna go with a little sliced olive and a bit of cream cheese to make them stick, and I'm using some deli meat for the scarf. Use your preference. Fits like a button. That, make sure he's not cold. We go here and we place this one right on top. Straight. Oh baby. Whew. Nice. Now we go here and we got the head, y'all. Here we go. First ever pizza snowman.
Now guys, if you test this at home, make sure you try it for your first time a little bit smaller.
Here we go. However, we're gonna dig into the brains and check out the inside. Go ahead and cut here. Beautiful. Have our pepperoni pizza, nice and cheesy, yo. Let's go get some out of here. Nice. Baby, look at that. I'm gonna come back to that in the meantime. Let's go here. Alright guys, and you can fill this with anything you want. Pizza toppings, salad, potatoes and cheese, whatever your little heart desires can go in here. Enjoy.